Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price of Pepe, see what is happening and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So what is happening? What has changed compared to yesterday, and where could we possibly see the price going as we do approach this upcoming weekend ahead of us? So if we're looking at the price as of July 18th, we're still holding around that 152 cents mark. You guys can see we're down about 3% over the last 24 hours in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and ETH comparative. If we're looking at its market cap, $640 million, and the 24-hour trading volume kind of sitting at below 100 million. So is this it? Are we about to see a massive retracement within the price of Pepe? What exactly is happening? Obviously that's what we're going to be discussing right now. If we're looking at it on the daily time frame, as far as the entire market is concerned, you guys can see the entire market right now, majority, to be exact, is down right now. And the reason as to why that's the case is because Bitcoin is once again below $30,000. And we know how important Bitcoin price is as far as, cryptocurrency market momentum goes. And right now, Bitcoin is below $30,000. And obviously, us seeing the entire market in red right now is not a surprise. But if we're looking at its holder count, on the other hand, once again, today is a historic day. Again, 133,366 holders and growing as time goes by. Price is down, but accumulation is still happening. There's uncertainty. Accumulation is still happening. And speaking about historic, as I've mentioned, you guys can see the followers on Pepe's official Twitter account has gone to 420,000 followers. Guys, do you understand how big that is? Do you understand how massive that amount really is? So this community is growing at a tremendous rate, and this is what you want to be seeing for a meme coin to be successful, to really climb those rankings, as we have seen Shiba Inu and Dogecoin obviously do. You need a community presence, and of course Pepe has that for itself. So huge congrats to the Pepe community. This is a huge milestone in my opinion, and I think in the very near future, possibly even the month of August, we could be reaching that 500,000, a 500,000 follower count. So really exciting when you look at the bigger picture. But now you guys can see, of course, the price is down for Bitcoin. And if you watch my video just a few days ago, I did say there is a chance that we could be retesting this wick from June 30th at $29,488, and that still remains the case. We almost retested that just today alone. But again, what really is shocking me right now is the fact that Bitcoin dominance is still hanging around this 50%, which is really crazy to see. Usually when Bitcoin sees this type of move, we would tend to see, Bitcoin dominance picking up. That's what we have seen pretty much throughout the year of 2023. We're already halfway through the year, and I've seen that continuously happen. When we do see uncertainty come into Bitcoin, or the Bitcoin price does fall, we've seen the dominance really move towards the upside. But this time around, we're seeing it hold around that 50%, which is really interesting. So could we really see an altcoin season occur if the price of Bitcoin really stabilizes around even if it's here, whether or not if it's at $28,789? Are we about to see an altcoin season? Remember, it's a long overdue. But what is happening with the price of Pepe? That is what everyone wants to know. So before we get into it, as always, like I've mentioned, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at its market cap, $637.3 million. Obviously the volume has decreased, but look once again. Guys, you need to focus on this. Look what's happening once again. We are retesting this support line yet again. 3 times, literally 3 times in a row, we're seeing this level of support play out, and you guys can see this for yourself. We did see a wick all the way down to this range, but we've seen a little bit of a bounce since then. So really showing us the importance, despite the fact that Bitcoin is retesting this $29,800 mark, Pepe is still holding above this level of support. And the craziest thing is, last time, guys, listen here carefully, June 30th, we did see the price hanging around within this range. But due to the uncertainty, obviously, of the entire markets around this range, obviously we didn't see a lot of people showing interest in Pepe. But all of a sudden, look guys, all of a sudden, as soon as Bitcoin broke out, look how fast Pepe broke out above that level of resistance, and this time around we're actually staying above there. So things are looking great as far as the bigger picture is concerned. But now, what if, now you may be asking, CryptoZX, what if Bitcoin breaks below this accumulation zone that we've been in, pretty much been in here for about a month? What if we break below it? If we were to break below it, the next target that I'm looking at is that $28,713. And if that happens, I am expecting that Pepe could be retesting, possibly around this 1,349 cents mark, pretty quick. That would be that next target. In order for us to retest that zone, obviously that is a move of about another 12%, but right now that could play out in the immediate short term. So of course we need to focus very, very closely on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin bounces from here, because we have seen BTC bounce a few times out of this level, you can see this for yourself. We've seen a few bounces, so could we possibly see whales pump it back up to 31,000? We will see. So, the next few days, especially the next 48 hours, in my opinion, are very important for the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does not hold around the support, be prepared to see the price of Bitcoin drop down to $28,711 range. But what do you guys think right now? Are you guys accumulating right now, Pepe? Are you guys just holding? What is your strategy right now, and where could you see the price of Pepe at the end of the year? I'm not talking about at the end of this month. I'm not talking about at the end of next month. Where could you see the price at the end of this year as we close out the year of 2023? I want to hear from you guys. What could the market cap be? Do you think we will be listed on Coinbase by then? I want to hear from you guys on this. So that is it for today's update. Really liking how we're holding around the support line. A huge day for Pepe community, 420,000 followers and counting. And I think this is just the absolute beginning as far as the bigger picture is concerned. But let me know down below. I want to hear from you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow in CryptoZX, and peace out.